most achieving and proud moment of our SSM in the year 2022-23 was achieving 100% results in our SSC exams with 9.7 GPA secured by Satyasai and 9.5 secured by Maunika, and also secured 10 points in all the subjects. We have conducted summer camp classes in our school in different aspects such as Kung Fu classes, English communication classes, glass painting, music classes and yoga classes, in which we trained nearly 42 students in these sessions and awarded certificates also to them. We started our academic year 2023-24 with Ganapati Homam, and with the blessings of Goddess Saraswati Mata started our classes from June 13th with total 335 students, 25 teaching staff, 3 caretakers and 1 watchman. As per the NEP norms, we have appointed separate ECC in charge to conduct the activities and monitor the academics separately by the in charge. This year also, our pre-primary, primary and high school teachers attended our training programs conducted by our Vidyapeetham and implemented the methods of teaching in classroom with all activity-based, joy-based and task-based, through which our students were able to learn the syllabus practically. Apart from this, we have conducted some activities such as Monsoon Day activity, Red Color Day, Kargil Vijay Divas, Ashadam activity, and to make the girl child aware of good touch and bad touch, we have made an activity of good touch and bad touch to our ECC children. We have introduced smart TVs in each classroom with the initiation of Swashodhan Trust, through which we are able to create a platform of digital teaching to our students from nursery to 10th. We can proudly say that this digital facility is available only in our SSM in whole Kushaiguda. Digital teaching through audio and video enables the students to understand the topics practically and to improve their academic skills. We have included computer classes with latest software systems and a separate computer faculty to teach the basics and MS Office in computers. In the high school also, as a part of syllabus, our 10 students conducted population survey for the Kushaiguda population and also mock elections activity, science experiments and lot of subject related activities. Apart from all these, we have celebrated our Indian culture festivals such as Guru Purnima, Raksha Bandhan, Krishna Ashtami, Varalakshmi Vratam, Batukamma, Sankranti, along with all national festivals. Along with the academics, we focus more on students' health and physical conditions. Keeping this in view, we have recruited a physical education trainer from last year and included daily PET period in our daily timetable to make the student physically fit and fine. With the intention of molding our children in all aspects, not only in career, but also to face the challenges they come across in their life and society, to make them strong physically and mentally, we have started Kung Fu classes, and weekly twice Kung Fu classes are conducted for 1st to 9th classes. Our students from 4th to 10th has participated in science fair conducted by our Vidyapeetham in district level and grabbed 1st and 2nd prizes in the science fair also. Sri Satya Sai Seva organization has also conducted essay writing competitions for 8th to 10th classes in English and Telugu medium, and our students secured 1st and 3rd prizes, and also Pooja from 10th secured 1st prize out of 7 schools. In the month of December, we have conducted educational tour in batch wise. As a part of that, ECC students visited Butterfly Garden, 3rd to 6th students to Birla Planetarium, Museum and Birla Mandir, and 7th to 10th students to Singur Dam, Chamundeshwari Temple, Wildlife Sanctuary and Badrinath Temple in Merchant. With the initiation of our Vidyapeetham, we have conducted Sthai Nirdharana exams for the classes 5th, 9th, 10th to know the standards of the students in the middle of the academic year. And based on these results, our 10th student A. Navya got selected for Pratibha Vidyarthi classes conducted by our Vidyapeetham, in which the students are given the final examination training by the resource persons and also by the textbook writers. To achieve 100% result in current academic year, we are conducting daily special classes for our 10 students in the morning session 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and the evening 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Last but not least, we are also conducting Samskara Kendram in Jammigadda with 10 students and 1 faculty as of now. For further development of our school, we are going to start more procedures to improve the standard of the students with more qualified and trained faculty, and with a whole heart and hard work, we try to make our Sri Saraswati Sishu Mandir High School in Kushaiguda one of the best English medium school, which not only focuses on academic standards but also inculcates our culture,